Good morning guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's guys, gagawa tayo ng inumin na magpapabush ng ating immune system. Kung inaantok ka, nantatamlay ka, ay pwede mong inumin ito guys. So, guys, let's start. Sa blender tayo. Maglalagay ako ng 1 lemon juice. Whole lemon. Mint leaves, 2 spoons of honey, ice cube, cup of water. So guys, naglagay ako siya ng lemon juice, mint leaves, ice cube, 2 spoons of honey. So blender natin. Madali lang ito. So guys, pag di ka pa subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please like, comment, and share para updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. Thank you guys for watching. So, ilalagay ko ng aking lemon and mint juice. Cheers, everyone. Oh, refreshing, guys. See you next video, guys. Thank you and God bless. My mint and lemon juice to boost your immune system.